Is it working? Yes. Okay, so we're going to teach in the amazing studio. This is the amazing, fabulous salon of the amazing, wonderful Judy. Right here. There she is. Yay! Thank you for letting us join today live from your location. Thank you, darling. Okay, so here we are. We are learning how to make a Pic Collage training. That's Pic Collage invitation. So the first thing you got to do is download the Pic Collage app, and that looks like this. Pic Collage. Does everybody have Pic Collage downloaded?
Yes.
Okay, Pic Collage. Now we're going to open it. So you touch it and it opens. It looks like that on the screen. Nobody can see it because, you know, the light, but whatever. This is what it looks like. That's the way it looks, right? Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to choose freestyle. So pick freestyle, okay? Once you do that, you're going to get a thing that looks like this. You could choose the kind of layout you want. If you want a square layout, then you go with that. Otherwise, you pick the word layout on the bottom. Okay, here it is, touching. Okay, you can choose if you want something that is a different size. You can go with the size that looks like a camera size, like the full screen. That's what I like. You get to pick. So this is the one I usually do. This is the middle one, or the 2/3, 2 times 3, whatever. And this is all done on an iPhone, you guys. I don't do Android, so if you've got an Android, you have to figure that out. But it'll be fine. And you push the little check mark, and then you got this thing done. There it is. Okay, now tap to start. So what I like to do is I've downloaded some images from a Facebook group, and I always post any image I have. I post it in our Fabulous All Stars Facebook group or our Pink Tuesday Facebook group, so that way you can pick it, and then you can save it on your phone as a photograph, and then you've got that. So what you'll do is you're going to find photo, and then you're going to pick something. So like today, I made an advertisement for teacher gifts. So I'm going to pick a teacher gift. I'm going to say, you're a fabulous teacher. So I picked it from my photos, and that's what I picked. That was a photo, okay? And then I put the little check mark, and there's the little check mark. It came onto my page. It looks like that, all right? Now, I'm going to put this on there, and I'm going to use my fingers. I'm making it bigger and littler, like this, big, little, just like this. There we are. And it looks cute. Oh, you're a fabulous teacher. Yay. Okay, now there's space at the bottom. I can write something if I want. All right, so if you wanted to make that to where it was the whole page, I have to change the layout to a square, because the square. So there's square. So it looked like a square. Okay, now if I want this to be the backdrop, I touch this little arrow that has an arrow, and it's like for editing. And it says edit, and then this box comes open, and I'm going to read it and say set as background. And I just touch it, and it made it into my background. Yay! Then I want to add stuff to it. So I want to add a mascara. So I click on the bottom, and I'm going to get a web image. So I'm going to type in here, Mary Kay Mascara, under web image. And I'm going to choose a mascara. So I'm going to choose one. I touched it, and then I'm going to add it. There's a little thing that says add. It's got a check mark. Touch it. Look, it added it to my thingy. Now it's there. It's too big. Ooh, no. So we're going to make it shrink. You just touch this and move it around. It's going to shrink. Look, it's smaller now, and it's cute, and it goes on my stuff. I know y'all can't see here, but they can see there. Okay, there it is. Now I want to add some words. So I'm going to go under text, touching that, and then I'm going to talk into my phone and say, teacher appreciation gifts at $15. There we go. And then I put a check mark. There's a little check mark to touch it. Okay, and then it made it on the screen. See, it's on the screen, it's in the middle? Okay, good. All right, now I'm gonna pull it down, and it's got an arrow, and then we can squish it. I'm gonna use my fingers and squish it, so the words got all squished together. See, I went like this, squish, squish, that's how it happened. Then I'm gonna touch it and move it around. Look at that, it's done. See, now, I know my back was to you, but it's on the video, so y'all can all see. So that's how I made this little thingy that I just did. Now, what I'm gonna do is say done, touch done. Then I'm going to say save to library. Save to library. Right there. I'm saving it. Okay, guess what? It's in, and there's a little check mark. You touch it, check mark. So now I'm ready to make another picture or invitation or whatever else I want, right? And that is saved in my photos. Close the app, open up photos, and I can choose that I can say, oh, look, I just made this really cute thing. Now I'm going to send that to all my customers today so they can buy teacher gifts from me rather than Target. Yes, so that's what we're going to sell. Make orders. Yay! Yes. Okay, so that's how you do it. Pretty easy? Okay, we can go do that later, but y'all do it, sell a lot.